A 16-inch screen on a 15-inch body size, tapos lightweight and super thin? May ganun bang laptop? What is up mga dogs? Na-invite po tayo ng Huawei to view their latest launching product, which is ang Huawei MateBook D16. Yun, on the way na tayo sa BGC, medyo traffic lang pero kita-kits tayo doon mamaya. Yes, Huawei invited us para ma-review natin ito personally at yan, they allowed us to unbox this firsthand and grabe. Quality talaga kapag Huawei ang gumawa. By the way, what we have here is the i9 13th Gen model, but there are actually 4 variants na pwede ninyong pagpilian for the Huawei MateBook D16. First impressions, pansin na pansin ko agad yung nipis. 17mm lang naman ito, kaya talagang super thin. And aside from that, na-amazed rin ako with its weight na 1.68 kilograms lang. Grabe dongs, magaan na yan considering na it's a 16-inch laptop para pwede mo na ring dalhin kahit saan nang hindi ka nahihirapan. Another thing, ito yung laptop na aakalain mong walang bezels with its 4.6mm ultra narrow bezels. Siguradong magugustuhan mo ditong mag-multitask at mag-movie marathon because 16:10 ang golden aspect ratio nito. 90% na rin kasi ang kanyang screen to body ratio, kaya I believe perfect ito para sa mga students and even employees na naghahanap ng laptop with large viewing screen. Bonus na rin, upon availing the Huawei MateBook D16, meron na kaagad itong pre-installed na WPS Office, which means hindi mo na kailangan mag-purchase pa ng additional software to open your document files or PDFs dahil kasama na yan in this laptop. Given na it's lightweight, it's thin, it has a large screen, I tested it myself with some simple tasks and I can say na it is indeed responsive and walang na-compromise from its performance. I would like to add lang rin, Huawei MateBook D16 uses a Type-C connection para i-power to, so kung usapang practical lang, mas gagaan na talaga ang bag mo dahil you can just bring this 65-watt charger to also charge your smartphones. At syempre, di mawawala dyan yung mga top Huawei features like Huawei Super Device, mas pinalakas na Wi-Fi connectivity, at marami pang iba. Learn more about Huawei MateBook D16 on their official website at abangan ang ating full video sa ating YouTube channel. Here are the official prices for every variant. Thank you, Huawei.